Hello everyone, such a nice autumn day. I'm now at Yunqi town in Hangzhou, China. I'm Olivia from Alibaba Cloud. Nice to see you again this year at Apsara conference. Apsara conference is one of the biggest technology festival in China and even in Asia. So let me take you around to see what's new this year and how the computing drives the future. Let's go! Hi folks, I'm now in Hall B to check out more about Alibaba Cloud's database products. As we all know, database is a key part of the enterprise IT system. Alibaba Cloud is among the world's leading cloud database providers, with its database products positioned as the leaders quadrant for 2 consecutive years in Gartner's Magic Quadrant of Cloud Database Management System from 2020 to 2021. Now today, I have Bella from database team with me to tell us more about it. Hello Bella, how are you today?
Fine, thank you.
Okay, thank you. So we will have Bella to tell us more about the new features and highlights and update of cloud database products from Alibaba Cloud, which are showcased here on the booth. So please go ahead. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, we want to say that actually for the traditional database, it is monopolized by some database giants. And in the cloud computing era, and Alibaba Cloud just had overtaking. So we provide the cloud-native database. Okay, we can see different industries, different types of data, such as the structured data and the non-structured data, and all the data is entered to the database from Alibaba Cloud. It can provide the real-time data processing and storage, and also the analysis, and the result can be feedback to different scenarios for customers, such as the exchange analysis and the overview insight, and the digital twin, and some other scenarios. And now I'd like to introduce some different features. Here is a combination of lake warehouse and data warehouse for the analytic DB. That means previously we provided the online processing ability, but now we also provide the offline processing ability. The difference is that the real time and the cost. The offline processing ability can provide a massive analysis but very low cost. But the online processing provides a real-time processing. So for some scenarios such as machine learning, it needs the ability. And what's more, for this version, it provides Spark. Also for machine learning scenarios, they usually based on the Spark. So this is a new feature for Analytic DB. And the second, we can see here the PolarDB HTAP. HTAP is short for the hybrid of TP and AP. For the traditional TP, it usually uses the row storage. Row storage is different from column storage. Row storage is good at writing but not good at reading. So we can say for some very complex query scenarios, the QPS is a bottleneck. So for the traditional solution is that it needs to build a block to synchronize the data into an isolated warehouse. So we can say the latency and the cost is really very high. And for PolarDB HTAP, it integrates the row storage and the column storage inside. That means it can realize the TP and AP simultaneously. So we call it the HTAP. Then about Lindon, the confusion of multi-modular. Lindon multi-modular confusion. It's really a little bit hard to introduce Lindon. I'd like to make a metaphor. It's just like the smartphone in the database world. As we know, 15 years ago, if we want to have very good entertainment, we need to purchase MP3, MP4, the camera, or some other such as feature phones. But now we just need one smartphone. It can integrate all these functions together. So for Lindon, it is the same. It integrates the different engines such as table, the time series file, etc. And what's more, the data, we don't need to export it to different databases. It's all running inside. So it can greatly provide the work efficiency. And what's more, we provide the ability of massive storage. That means we use the very high efficiency compressing and to realize the cost of storage, especially for the code data storage. Okay, so we can provide a massive storage. That means we can cut the code data storage by about 80%.
Thank you, Bella, for such an informative introduction. If you want to learn more about Alibaba Cloud's database products, please tune in to the Apsara conference this year or visit our international website. Hope you enjoy your day, Bella.